The more we stir muddy water, the cloudier it becomes. But left undisturbed, it slowly clears on its own. Sometimes clarity comes not through action, but through patience and restraint. In 2025, UPSC asked us to reflect on the topic that muddy water is best cleared by leaving it alone. An invitation to explore wisdom, not interference, self-restoration, and the role of time in resolving conflict. Let us explore this using 8 dimensions. Number 1, nature teaches patience. Ecosystems heal when left undisturbed. During COVID-19 lockdowns, cleaner rivers and returning wildlife showed nature's capacity to restore itself when humanity actively paused. Number 2, diplomacy through restraint. Sometimes peace is preserved by avoiding overreaction. Example, India's cautious response after the 2020 Galwan clashes prevented escalations into a full-scale war. Number 3, governance through minimalism. Over-regulation can stop progress. Measured withdrawals can result in balance. Example, 1991 reforms in India reduced excessive controls, unleashing natural economic growth. Number 4, conflict resolution. Stepping back often allows tempers to cool, reasons to prevail. Example, mediation in labor strikes often succeeds only after a cooling off period when both sides regain perspective. Number 5, personal healing. Some wounds need silence and time more than immediate intervention. Example, mindfulness practices encourage individuals to let emotions settle instead of forcing control. Number 6, international relations. Over involvement in conflicts can worsen instability. Example, the US's withdrawal from Vietnam allowed the region to stabilize over time without endless engagements. Number 7, judiciary and restraint. Courts often allow institutions to self-correct rather than overstep. Example, India's Supreme Court has exercised judicial restraint in certain policy matters, letting democratic processes resolve them. Number 8, when waiting is dangerous. Sometimes muddy waters do not clear on their own and demand intervention. Example, social evils like sati or child marriage in India needed bold reforms, not patience to endless injustice. The proverb reminds us that restraint is often wiser than hassle. Many problems resolve when given space and time, but others demand urgent action. The art of leadership lies in knowing the difference, when to wait and when to act. Because sometimes muddy waters clear on their own, and sometimes justice requires stepping in to cleanse them. Now write this in your own words, send it to us for feedback, and if you have found this reel interesting, do forward it to at least one civil services aspirant so that they can gain from our insights.